Hello, we are Dynamis. We are a all-in-one AI coaching solution, and so we use computer vision as well as generative AI in order to give real-time feedback on people's form to our users. And so we're using Google Media Pipe as well as Google Gemini for our generative intelligence. And our forms could be anything from the form that you have when you're dancing, the form that you have when you're throwing a ball, the form you have when you're lifting weights. And so, really anything that has to do with motion, we seek to give real time feedback on that. And so, let me just jump into the demo. So we have basketball and baseball for now. That's all we've implemented. But so if we jump into the baseball one, we have a page where you can learn about pitching. And so it's just really just documentation, just fairly simple. And then we have a page where you can actually talk to a coach. And so this is a virtual coach, a virtual pitching coach. And so you can ask him questions about pitching, and he will be able to answer them for you. Hey, can you give me some advice on learning how to pitch?
Learning to throw a curveball is a great way to expand your pitching repertoire. Here's a basic guide. 1. Grip. Use a
What
two-finger.
could you teach me about a different type of pitch?
Absolutely. The curveball is a great pitch to add to your arsenal. It's thrown with a grip that emphasizes pressure from the middle finger and
And so as you can see, you could really just ask it whatever you want, and the AI will then will then see that and teach you about pitches, and so about or just answer your questions in general. Um, and so our main feature is this start training button right here. And so I want to make sure that my whole face is visible, as I'm in a nice area, and I'm gonna just start the countdown for now. And so this uses Google Media Pipe to detect the points on my face. And so as we can see, I'm in a rest period, and then throw the ball, and then go back to a rest. And so this takes
Okay,
our
good
movements.
effort. A couple of things to focus on for the next throw. 1. Elbow extension. Let's really try to get that arm fully extended at release. Aim for past 150 degrees. You're close, but that little bit extra will help with power and accuracy. 2. Wrist snap. Work on snapping your wrist upwards more at the end of the throw. Think about flicking it powerfully. Let's see if you can improve those areas.
And so as you can see, so it just as you are throwing the ball, it just helps you and gives you advice on how to throw the ball, and so and how you did in your last throw. And it does this for as long as you would like, and so you can just keep pitching over and over again, uh, and and we would just keep processing those pitches for you. And this uses it uses Google Media Pipe in the front to track all the poses and the positions on your hand to all the endpoints. And then we do pre-processing on our back end. We process like angles, the velocity of your pitch, your wrist snap, as I was saying before. And so we do all that processing and we send it into a generative AI model. And this AI model, then tell it what the expected values for each of the things that we've measured are. And so it takes all this data and it gives you a result and it gives you a personalized um, response about how you can improve your next pitch. And so this is Dynamis, and I hope you liked our pitch, and I hope you like our product. Thank you.